There's some pretty scenery. Where are we at? Let's see. Just a second. Coming into Hot Springs, South Dakota. I think it's South Dakota. Yeah, South Dakota. It's 32 degrees out, 55 humidity, and it's such a pretty day for traveling. I've got about 50 more miles to the truck stop where I'm going to stop, take my shower, get my truck back organized. Ooh, see if my horse wants to drink again. He didn't drink very much last night, so I'll check him again. Diesel 289. It's killing me. Oh, look at a car wash. I called this place for showers, the coffee cup. They're $10. The place I'm going is $7. So I'm always a bargain shopper with everything. Unless it's chocolate. Then I have no control. Or my dog. Or my son. I have no control. Yeah, you get to see a little bit of scenery. Boar. B-O-A-R. It's a horse trailer. I wonder if it's for sale. I don't see a for sale sign. Boar wheel. Huh. Off to the side coming up. Older bridge, I think. Is that train tracks? No, it's a bridge for traffic. Oh, and it comes right out on this road. I love bridges. I love bridges and I love churches. Okay. Adios. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick tour. Sorry, I got my shower bag and stuff out, but over here, down in the floorboard, underneath the blanket, is my sleeping bag and my pillow. Right here, I have another blanket for the seat. This is where Ginger sits when she rides. And here she is in her kennel. She's got a great big kennel. I have some drawers here set up. I have my clothes, my shirts hang up. I have some miscellaneous shirts. Here's my fridge. Sorry, it's still working great. I got a pack full of food and some more drawers over on this side and 2 drawers on that side. And when I go to bed, I just fold this up, roll my sleeping bag out, and I'm good to go. Yeah, we be some travelers. And she loves her bed. She has all her toys in there. Okay, well, I'm at the truck stop, so I'm gonna go in to take my shower. Depending, I've never been in this one, so depending on what it looks like, I might video for you. Okay, bye. Okay, so this truck stop just has one shower, basic shower. It's got a seat for you to sit in. Oh, morning mess. And just a sink, garbage, laundry, and a stool. Nothing fancy, but it does the job.